Hey guys, this is my fireworks stash. So, yeah. Let's get started. We're gonna go here. No. First one is just regular sparklers. You gotta have these. And then we got these Shisham. And then we got two poopy puppies, one right here and one right here. And got another pack of these. Then we got colorful paper flower. These are pretty good, I guess. And I got, I don't even know how the label is. Well, got a cake. These are cakes. And these kind of look like toffees, actually. It's like a toffee package. Oh, it's right. That's bad. That's not good. Okay. Yeah, another. There we got some. I don't know what these are. Can't really see. Cuckoo, I don't know. I got another. We got 3 of them. Yeah. And then we got this. Really good for this one. This is called a. This is a 100 shot. There we go. And then we got I think this is a. I think this is a fireworkman. I don't know. I forgot. A parachute. I think it's a parachute. And then I think this is a cake. I'm not sure. This might. I don't know, but yeah, here you go. And then back here we got this made from this and this. And then got some this and this. These are the big ones. All these 4 are the big ones. This, and this are big. And this is, I think, the biggest one. Not sure. I don't want to rank them. These are really good. I've never got any of this, unless I only got that and sparklers before. But I have no idea what these are like, even this. Because these were $14. So. Oh, that's bad, that's bad. Don't want it to go off. I got some sticks. If you don't know what these are, they're there to light them. So, yeah. This is just the start to our fireworks stash. We're gonna get way more tomorrow. Buy some. We're gonna get some. My dad bought all of these. Then maybe my mom will buy some, and then my granddad will buy some, and maybe my yaya will buy some. So there would be a lot of fireworks. So yes, stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's all of the fireworks for now. And bye.